learners. My name is Florence Nightingale, and I dedicated my life to caring for the sick and improving hospitals. Cleanliness, kindness, and knowledge can save lives. Let me take you on a journey through my life and show you how I became known as the Lady with the Lamp. I was born on May 12, 1820, in Florence, Italy, but I grew up in England. As a child, I loved learning, especially about science and mathematics. While many girls were expected to marry and take care of their homes, I had a different dream: to help people who were sick. At the age of 17, I felt a strong calling to help the sick, but my parents did not agree. At that time, nursing was not considered a respectable profession. However, I knew that I had to follow my heart. I secretly studied nursing in Germany and learned about patient care. I worked hard, and soon I was given the responsibility to manage a hospital in London. I wanted to make hospitals cleaner and safer for everyone. In 1854, war broke out in Crimea. Soldiers were badly injured, and hospitals were in terrible condition, dirty and full of disease. I gathered a team of nurses and travelled to the battlefield hospitals to help. When we arrived, we cleaned everything. We washed beds, changed bandages, and made sure doctors had proper tools. Soon, the number of soldiers dying from infections dropped significantly. At night, I walked around with my lamp to check on the soldiers, making sure they were comfortable. They started calling me the Lady with the Lamp because I always cared for them. I didn't just help patients. I used numbers and statistics to show how proper hygiene reduced deaths. My reports helped change hospitals all over the world. After the war, I opened the Nightingale School of Nursing in London. I wanted to train more nurses to take care of people the right way. Because of my work, hospitals became cleaner and nurses became respected. I also worked to improve healthcare for the poor and soldiers. Even when I grew too old to travel, I kept writing about ways to improve healthcare. In 1907, I became the first woman to receive the Royal Red Cross Medal for my work. Today, nurses around the world continue my work. Clean hospitals, trained nurses, and proper patient care save millions of lives. And it all started with one dream: